to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing some stewed chicken, brown stewed chicken. And for this, I'm going to be using some of my homemade green seasoning, garlic powder, turmeric powder, sazon, black pepper, olive oil, sea salt, ketchup, and thyme. If you have fresh thyme, you can use that as well. Let's get right into the recipe. Okay, let's get right into seasoning. First, I'm going in with my homemade green seasoning, followed by my salt, black pepper, my sazon, turmeric, garlic powder, thyme, little bit of ketchup, and my olive oil. So now we're just mixing everything together. So it is all seasoned. I'm gonna cover it with plastic wrap and I'm gonna have it marinate for a minimum of 1 to 2 hours. So we'll be right back. Okay, so it is an hour later and I just put in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And next I'm going in with my white sugar. Now I find the white sugar gives it a better color. And when I say color, I mean more of a caramel type of look. I find that the brown sugar gives me a darker browning versus the white sugar. So that's why I rather use the white. Now, if you have brown sugar, you can go right ahead and use the brown. So now what I'm doing is making sure that all the sugar gets coated with oil. And this is about 3 minutes later. And as you can see, the sugar melted and it's starting to get brown. So what we're looking for is for it to become like a lighter brown color and more frothy, which is the stage it's going to take next. Okay. Because right after that, that's when we're going to put our chicken in. Yep. It's that nice brown color. Okay. And this is what we want. Nice and brown. Lord, y'all see that beautiful brown color? Yes. That's what I'm talking about. That beautiful brown color I get when I use white sugar. Gives me more of a caramel color. Okay. So as you can see, most of that liquid started to dry up, and I'm left with this beautiful brown. I'm left with this beautiful browning. So now I'm gonna start going in with my water. So what I'm doing here is just awakening those juices that may be at the bottom of the pot. Now I'm gonna cover it right back and allow it to come to a boil. And then I'm gonna go in with some fresh thyme. And cover this up and allow it to boil. Okay, so at this point you can check for salt. See if you need to adjust it. And it should be done in about 5 more minutes. See how my gravy is nice and rich? Yes. 5 more minutes and it will be done.